Importance of inter-communal relationship. 1. It will enhance productivity and eventually promote total development of a community. 2. It promotes cooperation and intertribal marriage. That is, it shows among different communities giving their children hand in marriage. 3. It enhances government programs and the success of policies when there are no communal conflict. Government programs and policies can be implemented. The overall effect of this is the improvement in the welfare of the people. 4. It enhances economic progress. That is good intercommunal relationship. It will create an atmosphere for trade and business in the entire country. Also, foreign investors would like to invest in a peaceful region in the country, and this in turn will increase the level of economic and industrial activities in the country. 5. It allows for cross-fertilization of culture and ideas, which can further boost completion. Skills that promote intercommunal relationship. 1. Tolerance among members of the community. 2. Respect for human rights. 3. Access to justice whenever the need arises. 4. Intercommunal marriages. 5. Engagement in sports activities. 6. Good governance. After watching this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channels. Thank you.